Welcome to another video of my robotic arm with pneumatic hand made of fischertechnik. Last time I had my focus on the reconstruction of the hand sensoring. Well, this works well, this one does not work quite well. And talking about my pneumatic hand, which means it works on compressed air, it's also time to test the whole pneumatic system again. Apart from that, why did I experience a sensory problem in my software and not in the diagnostics? So those are a few questions and focuses for this time, and maybe I solved them all, maybe I solved nothing. So let's see about some testing. Right, and here you see the screencast again with Python editor terminal in which I show the Python output, the ftdiagnose interface, and of course the hand itself. So let's first test everything electrically. Let's hope that this is the good one. So first let me move it down a bit. So yes, this works. And this doesn't work. So is this slave or not? I keep forgetting that, but I do think so. Slave 1. Okay, I need the other controller. So I'm going to select this one. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Electrically it's alright, that's good. So close. When it's electrically good, I can run it and see how everything works out. And then I notice a problem with my compressor. Now it works. I have to shift the compressor engine gear into the compressor. And now the air needs to build up. Let me select all of the camera. I think it still needs to build up. What is this doing? This is not good. Here is something wrong with the gear. Okay, it is being pulled while it should be released, so this is not good. And this is not answering either, so there are more problems. So why is this working wrong? I know why it's working wrong, because this is dependent on this one and this one, And this is exactly the problem why it's not functioning, because this one should hold this, and it's not, while it's electrically working, mechanically it doesn't reach it like this does. So this plate is really touching it. This plate isn't. So that's a problem. And I'm afraid this is too flexible. But also there is another distance I can't explain. So that is what I have to look for. Okay, on close inspection, it turns out that this black connection piece is being either pulled up or pushed up somehow, with consequence that if I push this a little bit down, that everything does work. But that's of course not the idea. The idea is that I don't touch it. Also, I put one distance piece extra here, but that doesn't solve it. So how does this construction work? Well, the whole hand moves with it. So result is that I have to make some construction to connect this part to the construction of the wrist, where the whole hand is being held. And since that is the whole construction is not entirely parallel, that's going to be another challenge. But hopefully it will solve this problem. So let me find a solution. After quite a few attempts, I've made a construction here, which is now connected to the base of the wrist, and with this construction piece to the to this piece which is connected to the rest. But the switch is still not functioning properly, which is caused by the fact that these two are not connected. So yes, this is connected, but as you can hopefully see, I can move this freely. So if I manage to get this connected, then it may work. It may work. So let's try to find a solution for that. And I found the solution in turning this connection piece 90 degrees, no, 180 degrees. So the connection knob is not on this side but on this side. Then adding an extra layer, so now all the pieces are connected. And I also had to replace this piece by a flat piece. You can just see it here, just a small plate, which I had to do on the other side as well. So this looks fabulous, but I haven't tested it yet, not electrically at least. So let's go here, and really the wrong one, I think so. Oh, that's the hand. Okay, I need the other one, which is confusing. Okay, so one, how is that possible? This is one, but which is which? Okay, this is one, this is two, so now I'm only pressing this one. Okay, hold on, I need to move this out of the way. So now I'm pressing only this one, and now this one. How can there be two? No, one. Alright. Pulling a string. One. Pulling a string here. Oops, don't touch the camera. Is two. Pulling a string. Nothing. So then it depends on what? Because now this kind of works, which is quite clear. So why doesn't it always work? That's yet another question. Okay, this one is nice. Back to the hand. Why doesn't the compression work? In the time that I still have in this video, let's do that. Okay, for this last test I have released this winch and I've run the compressor for it. So let's test on some pressure. And it's not looking good. Electrically, it's proven that it works. But why don't I get any working finger? It's all very, very quiet. This is supposed to happen. Or is it? Okay. Wait. Yeah, once again, the electrical wiring is very tight. So I have to push up the wires from the other side, I have to push to pull up the electrical wires again. So this has to happen. This as well. This one and this one. So let's test again. And this one as well. Yeah. But still no pressure. Still no movement as far as the compression goes, unfortunately. Absolutely nothing. and I don't have a meter that shows what the pressure is. Not quite sure what the technical term is, but okay, I'm afraid that's it for now. No result on the fingers. And with these results I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please support by becoming a patron or donating via PayPal or IBAN. This is going to be continued, obviously. So for now, stay safe, have a nice day, and take care. Bye.